at that. Okay, cool. So this is a steak recipe for the air fryer. I'm actually using one of Gordon Ramsay's steak recipes that you usually do in a pan, but I'm going to kind of use the same recipe and ingredients to do it in an air fryer. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to leave our steak to get to room temperature. Some other ingredients that you'll need some salt for the steak, you'll need black pepper, you'll need unsalted butter for the steak sauce, some garlic cloves, and some thyme. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our black pepper. The black pepper will give it a beautiful crisp on the outside, so just try to add as much as possible. Okay, so once you've put some black pepper on, you can put your salt. Again, you can put quite a bit. And then what I like to do to seal the ingredients in there, I just like to spray it with some oil spray. I like to use coconut oil, just like that. That kind of just seals the ingredients in there. So while we're waiting for our air fryer to preheat, what we can do so long is make the steak sauce. So let's do that. What we're going to do is get 2 cloves out here. Just like that. You can still leave the feathering on it. Really doesn't make a difference. Okay, we're going to press that down. Just to crack it open like that. Chuck it in your little bowl. And again, just crush it with your palm. Throw that straight in. Okay, then we're going to add some thyme. Just give it a good few shakes. And then we're going to add about a spoon of butter. Okay, so you'll have all of that. Next thing we're going to do is we want to chuck this in the microwave. This is what it should look like. Okay, then we just want to mix it in. Okay, so once we have our air fryer preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, we've got our steak seasoned to room temperature, and we've got our buttery sauce ready. Now it's time to stick our steak in the air fryer. So let's get these 2 in there. So it's very important that you preheat the air fryer, because you want the steak to seal as quickly as possible. Let's get that in there, 400 degrees, and we're going to start our stopwatch. Okay, so our steak has been in now for 8 minutes 30, so 4 minutes, or roughly around 4 minutes each side. So let's quickly take it out and see what it looks like. Now we're going to start using our butter sauce. And we just want to kind of base it over the steak, just like that. I'm going to keep some for the other side. Just rub it in. Okay, then we're going to pop it back into the air fryer for another 4 minutes, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Right, so 4 minutes has been done on this side. Let's pull this out. So I'm just going to keep repeating this process until it's cooked. Just going to feel how done it is now. So it's probably about there, which is still on the rare side. So I want mine about there, which is well done. Let's put it back in for another 4 minutes, and then we'll check on it. Okay, another 4 minutes are up. Let's see if it's ready. And that's exactly how I like it. Okay, so there we have it. Gordon Ramsay's steak recipe in an air fryer. Let's cut her open so you can see what the insides look like. Obviously, as I said before, I made mine well done, and I think that's comfortably there. So a few limitations. Obviously, that all in all took about 30 minutes. Obviously, because of the air fryer, because you're constantly taking it in and out, obviously it takes a lot longer. If you had to do that on an actual pan, this would probably take you about 14 minutes, which I've done numerous times. So it's a lot quicker. So it probably takes about twice the time in an air fryer. But still comes out tasting really good. You can still taste the garlic and the thyme coming out of the meat. So yeah, definitely worth trying. Alright, so if you enjoyed this recipe, please guys give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below.